If you're constantly putting out fires, chasing leads, and answering the same questions again and again, you're not running a business. You're running in circles. But in the last few years, there's a new kind of founder that has emerged, the systems founder. They don't just work in the business, but they design systems that work for them. And right now with AI, it's easier than ever to build these systems that scale without scaling yourself. So I'm going to break down exactly how to think like a systems founder using AI so that you can leverage more of your time and not continue to be or become a slave to your business. So first of all, let's talk about the shift. Most founders, they start as operators. They hustle, they sell, they do everything manually. But that kind of approach simply doesn't scale. It burns you out and you actually end up trapping yourself inside your own business. Now, the systems founder, on the other hand, they think differently. They ask questions such as, where am I doing repetitive work? What if this process ran without me? And how can I build once and just let it run forever? And that's exactly where AI comes in, because AI isn't just about saving time, it's about removing tasks entirely. So here's how systems founders use AI to think differently. And this is a 3-part framework that's going to show you how to think like a systems founder so you can begin to adopt this identity within your business. So the first thing is identifying the repeats. So systems founders, they look for high frequency, low creativity tasks, things that can easily be automated, such as lead follow-up, scheduling, reminders, FAQs, those sorts of things. And if it happens more than 3 times a week, it's definitely a candidate for automation. Now, the second thing is replacing yourself with logic. So they don't ask, who can I hire? They ask, how can I design this process? So they use AI agents, workflows, and automations. They use rules, not people, to handle what they used to do manually. And this is really the new age of AI, where you can leverage AI agents and these automations and these workflows and build these systems that remove you from the business without having to hire more people, allow you to scale, actually make it easier to scale. And the third part of this framework is to build feedback loops. And this is so important because systems founders, they don't just deploy and forget, right? Just because you build a system doesn't mean you can just forget about it and let it run indefinitely, right? So when it comes to actually building these feedback loops, what this looks like is it looks like AI follow-ups that refine based on lead responses. It looks like reminder systems that adjust timing based on no-show rates. Okay, it actually learns from itself. And what this means is that they build systems that learn, improve, and adapt. Okay, and that is really the key, because you build a system once, but that system can always be improved. So you build these feedback loops so that the AI itself can also learn from the data that it's getting. Now, let me give you a real example of someone who owns a clinic versus a systems founder. So clinic owner A, what they do is they hire someone to follow up with leads manually, right? Leads come into the business, they follow up with them. Hey, you want to book a consultation? And they go through the sales process. But what happens when they're sick or they leave? Right? The leads go cold. Or what if that person is asleep and the lead comes in? They have to wait until the next day. Now, let's talk about clinic owner B, the systems founder. So rather than hiring someone just to follow up the leads, instead they build a system that calls or messages the lead in 10 seconds with an AI agent, a system that automatically books people into the calendar and automatically sends reminders to reduce no-shows. And aside from that, it also follow-ups post-appointment to upsell patients on additional services. So what's happening here is that clinic owner A, this is very hands-on. Clinic owner B with this specific system is all hands-off. And what's happening is that one is building tasks and the other is building a machine. Okay, who do you think is going to win out in the long run? And quite frankly, clinic owner A is not going to be around for long, because the way that the market is moving with AI means that you must adopt AI to remain not just ahead, just remain in business, remain relevant. So here's why this matters right now. In 2025, you don't win by doing more. You win by designing better systems. And AI, it isn't just a tool, it's your new operations team. And the founders who thrive won't be the busiest. They'll be the ones with the smartest systems running quietly in the background. Business is so much about leverage, and it's everyone has the same time in the day. So why is it that some business owners get to the top and make billions of dollars? Is it because they're smarter? Likely not, right? Is it because they had a better opportunity? Maybe. But a lot of these founders that grow so fast and so far, they just understand leverage. They understand that they can't do everything themselves and that they need team, they need systems, they need AI to basically take 10 hours, 12 hours, whatever it is in a day and get 100+ hours back for those time units that are inputted. And here's the cool thing. You can be a systems founder, right? You can start to develop the mindset and the identity that you're going to build systems to get more leverage on your time, to get more leverage on the energy that you input into your business, to get more out of it. Now, if you want to take action as a systems founder and you want to build AI systems for your business, this is exactly what I do at my company, Yanda Labs. Now, we're not a company that just comes in and builds you an AI chatbot or even an AI agent that calls your leads. We build AI systems that actually drive revenue and increase profitability for your business. So yes, we can build an end-to-end sales system, a recruitment system, an operations and fulfillment system. Whatever type of business you run, we'll be able to have a conversation and understand where in your business can you benefit the most from AI, and do we have a solution for that? Okay, so if that is of interest and you are looking to scale with AI, scale faster, not just get ahead of your competitors, but stay in business and stay relevant. In the video description just below this video, if you scroll down, there's a link to my website. You can go there, you can book a call directly with myself or my co-founder, and we'll chat for 15 minutes and just really understand if there's actually a fit for us to work together. Okay, if there's not, we'll let you know up front. We turn away more business than we take on. And if there is a fit, then we'll explain exactly how things work. So that's it for this one. Hopefully look forward to speaking to you soon, and I'll see you in the next video.